Hello. Today we are going to see an objective type question from Semiconductor Physics, logic gates problem. The Boolean expression for the circuit is given by, it's given here. So the lead, the source point A, B, C are given. A is connected to, what gate is this? It's a NOT gate. NOT gate is an inverter gate. What input you give, it will invert and give. This is an OR gate. What input is given will be added and given. It's an addition gate. And this is an AND gate. It's a product gate. It will multiply whatever is given as input here. We have to calculate and find the final output Y, for which the options are given. A is equal to Y is equal to A, Y is equal to A bar dot B plus C. Y is equal to A bar B bar plus C bar. Y is equal to A bar B plus C bar. Y is equal to A bar B into B plus C. Which option is correct is the question. How do you find this? You have to adopt the principles, the Boolean algebra principles of the respective gates, for which you should have studied the symbol Boolean algebra and the truth table of OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NOR gate and NAND gate. Here we have only NOT, OR and AND. So when you give A, NOT gate being an inverter, it will become A bar here. In OR gate, B and C is given, so the output will be B plus C. Addition gate. And these two are given as input to AND gate, which will multiply it. So Y will be equal to, when it multiplies this, it will be A bar into B plus C. So A bar B plus C is the answer. So option D is correct. So this is how you have to find or solve the Boolean algebra. Sometimes they may give you the input and output. Instead of giving a Boolean algebra, they may give you high ends and low ends, and they may give you they will ask you to find the output. Suppose if they are asking like that, how you will find out? For example, so if it is asked to find, they are asking you to find the output, truth table of this. If they are giving the truth table as options, how you should find? So you have to put the truth table. A, B, C. And then here A bar, and here B plus C, and then Y. So this will be the truth table for the given circuit. So you can say 0, 1. These are the only two inputs which is possible. Either it can give high or low. It will be inverted and given at the end A. Whereas B and C, you can give different inputs. Say, we take the two two inputs, say 0 and 1. Or it can be 1 if here it can be 0 or 1. If that being the case, then 0, the inversion of it will be 1. 0 plus 0 will be 0. Here 1, the inversion of it will be 0. And 1 plus 1 will be 1. So both are high, so the output will be high. So here A, the Boolean algebra says that it is A, B plus C. So in that case, B plus C, 0. A bar is 1. So multiply, it will be 0. 0 into 1, 0. So the output is 0. In case you are giving again 0 and 1, and you are giving here 1, 1, here also 1, 1. If you are giving the inputs like that, then A bar will be 1, the inversion of this will be 0. Here both ends are 1, so the output will be 1. Here both ends are 1, so the output will be 1. So here y is equal to A bar into B plus C, so 1 into 1 is 1. In this case, it is 0 into 1. This is how the output structures for different input will be. So they may also give options in terms of truth table, and you have to calculate it according to this. Thank you.